Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever struggled with getting that perfect, modern look in your design projects because your shapes were too sharp? Today, I am going to show you 3 professional ways to create rounded corners in Adobe Photoshop so you can achieve clean, polished results every single time. Whether you are building web interfaces, designing icons, or creating social media graphics, knowing how to manipulate corner radius is an essential skill. If this tutorial helps you speed up your workflow, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop mastery tips. Let's start with the fastest method for creating new shapes. First, locate your toolbar on the left side of your screen and select the Shape tool, also accessible by pressing the letter U on your keyboard. Right-click the Shape icon to open the submenu and select the Rounded Rectangle tool. Now, look at the top options bar. You will see a field for the corner radius. Go ahead and enter your desired value, such as 20 or 30 pixels. Once that is set, simply click and drag on your canvas to draw your shape. Keep in mind that the higher the radius value you choose, the more rounded those corners will become. Now, what if you have already drawn a standard rectangle and need to soften those edges? That brings us to our second method. Start by selecting your existing rectangle shape layer in the Layers panel. Next, open your Properties panel. If you do not see it, go to Window and select Properties. Within the panel, look for the Corners section. You can enter any radius value here, like 25 pixels. Make sure the little link icon is enabled. This ensures that your radius is applied to all 4 corners equally. Finally, let's talk about how to round the corners of an actual photo or image. This is a common requirement for profile pictures or stylish layout elements. First, select the Rounded Rectangle tool again and draw your shape exactly where you want your image to appear. Move your image layer in the Layers panel so that it sits directly above your shape layer. Now right-click on the image layer name and select Create Clipping Mask. Your image will instantly snap into the shape of your rounded rectangle, effectively giving it perfectly curved edges. Using these 3 methods will give you total control over the look and feel of your designs. Remember to practice these techniques to get a feel for how different pixel values change your composition. If you enjoyed this guide to Adobe Photoshop, do not forget to like and subscribe for more content coming your way soon. Keep creating, and I will see you in the next video.